Today I'm making macaroni salad. I haven't done this for a long time, but my cousin just requested me to do this. First thing that I do is I boil the chicken, so make sure there's no blood. And just keep on taking out the residue. I'll be using the broth later to cook the macaroni. The next thing is to boil the potato, not too soft, just enough for you to be able to bite it. While boiling the potato and the chicken, I'm gonna start to get ready with all the other ingredients. So I'm doing the carrots now. So just basically do some little cubes. Just cut it in cubes. So the potato is ready. So what I did is basically just remove the hot water and then put in the potato on a very cold water so that you can easily peel off the skin. See how I do it? It's so easy. So cut it in cubes as well. Simple as that. Be careful, it's hot. So now the potato and the carrots are all done, and the chicken as well is all cooked. I'm using the chicken stock to boil the macaroni. Add some more water depending on how many macaroni you're gonna be cooking. Now it's time to cut the onions. Just cut in very little cubes. I'm using the red big onions. Can you hear it's crunchy, yeah? I'm just being too careful to cut it. I'm not a chef, so bear with me. Just keep on checking the macaroni, make sure it's not going to be overcooked. So when the elbow macaroni is soft, just drain the water. Just be careful because it's going to be hot. So the next thing to do is cut the cheese. So I have the marble cheese in my fridge. I normally use the medium cheddar, but since this is the only thing that I have, so I'm going to be using this one. Just cut it in cubes as well. You can make it big or small, depends on what you prefer. So now we have most of the ingredients: the macaroni, the chicken, the onion, the cheese, the potato, and the carrots. We're also going to be adding some salt and pepper, and of course the mayo. And I think I'm going to add some raisins. As you can see, I'm making small batches because I'm going to be putting them into small containers. So I'm not mixing everything all together, just a small portion of the macaroni and a little bit of all the ingredients. So after putting them in small containers, just put in the fridge and let it chill. It's ready to eat. Enjoy!